It's Friday, April 20th, 2018. My name is Brett Womack. I'm a real estate professional with Berkshire Hathaway Results Realty, located in Central Florida. This is my real estate 2-minute drill, giving you weekly analysis and trends of the real estate market here in Central Florida as well as nationally. So my apologies last week. I was sick and I couldn't bring you the 2-minute drill that we were going to discuss, but I'm going to be bringing it to you today, and we're going to be discussing mortgage rates. So if you recall, last 2 weeks we mentioned home prices are favoring sellers a little bit more than buyers in regards to price as well as inventory. But as we're going to see today in regards to mortgage rates, there's still hope for a lot of home buyers, as well as home buyers are still continuing to buy, seeing that mortgage rates are still at a historic low. So let's get started. So looking at the current mortgage rates today on a 30-year fixed rate mortgage, which is going to be a good determiner on mortgages, you'll see we're sitting around 4.5% on average. This same day last year, rates were around 4.01% this same month last year. And you see an increase there as well as an upward trend. So for a 15-year FRM, the current mortgage rate would be around 3.9% compared to 3.26% last year at the same time. For an FHA 30-year FRM, which is the most common loan that a lot of buyers utilize in regards to down payment support, you get 3% down payment, which is an excellent loan, and that's where a lot of home buyers are purchasing their first homes using this loan. The current mortgage rate here is around 4.35%. This same time last year was around 3.65% last year. To get some better statistics, some good statistics, I look at a website which you should write down to look at a lot of current mortgage rates. It's mortgagenewsdaily.com. So take a look at that website. It'll give you a good idea of analysis of mortgage rates going on daily and throughout the week. As we can see from the data, it's a pretty significant upward trend since last year. All of you who bought last year are sitting quite comfortably. But don't lose hope, buyers, because as we're going to discuss, now the historical chart analysis of the fixed rate mortgage is still at a historic low. So if you want to write this website down, there's an interactive chart which will give you a great idea of the history of the 30-year fixed rate mortgage, and it's also a good educational tool. So write this down. It's www.macrotrends.net. And you could go to interest rates and locate 30-year fixed rate mortgage rate historical chart for a good analysis of the chart. And you'll see as you can venture through, you can pinpoint different years on where rates were. Because if you notice, if you're like a millennial, you didn't know about the 1980s. Back in 1980, we had interest rates all the way up to 18.5%. So we're still at a historic low. But as you can see from the trend, we're in a steady upward trend and a rise. So renters, as you notice this, I get a lot of renters that are always asking me whether or not it's a good time to buy. What I always tell you to do is exercise your options, speak with a mortgage loan officer to have your options, and see where you and your family would be good if you have the down payment to be able to purchase a home, because it's still a great time to purchase a home. So if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to discuss regarding the current real estate market on any future 2-minute drills, you can find me via Facebook at Brett Womack RE, or you can DM me on Instagram at Womack Has Your Back to submit your questions. And as always, if you need assistance in purchasing your new home or selling your new home, I would be happy to help you and speak with you in regards to that. Thank you for watching my 2-minute drill, and have a wonderful weekend.